Hi, welcome back.
She's the guest.
I'm the guest.
Hello, you guys. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be a super exciting and super fun video because for the first time ever in this channel, I'm going to be introducing the most entertaining, the most funniest friend I have. And yeah, she's also like the most anticipated guest. Everybody is like asking me to bring her into one of the videos. So yeah, today's the day and she blessed us with her presence. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Pepsi.
Bye.
So now let's add 1 cup of PVA glue. So but we have Fevicol. So we'll add that. Little bit of clear oil. I don't know why I get into things that are clearly not made for me. I'm not made for this job.
She's made for watching this.
No, I'm not made for it.
I'm clearly enjoying it.
What is the brick? What is what?
What I think the gum is not sufficient, so
We'll add more.
Let's add some more gum. So we don't have energy. How can I? With this hand stand. One second, everything. So wait Yes, it's there.
Open it, guys.
Oh, hectic task.
Let me try.
Oh yeah.
What's bunching? What have I done?
Oh yeah. Apply for your.
It's so easy. I don't think there's gum
Wait. It's there or not there?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Are we 10 minutes in? I'm already done.
You have
Devda, hey Bhagavan.
Devda.
Wow! I didn't know that getting the gum out of the jar is also such a big task. So now it's time to add some vinegar. Bro, no, you need more water. She and me are soulmates. So, what did you do?
I think we should add some corn flour.
We're supposed to make hot clay, not a soup.
We'll do it. Just trust the process.
Yeah, this recipe needs a little bit of cornstarch. See you in a minute. Going to be cornstarch, girl?
I have to go.
Bro, it's So this disaster of a recipe needs some more cornstarch, you think?
Thank you.
I'm making clear while making butter.
We'll make fun.
Oh my god. I think we should need a little bit more oil. How are you going to take out this one? Straight out.
Wow, this is what it is.
Do it. Sweet.
I want to
Hallelujah. Oh, thank you, God.
Yeah.
You just need to make this up.
Yes, like this. You have to make it soft.
I think we made mochi, guys. You want mochi?
No, I don't.
Eat it.
I said no, I don't want.
I have to picture that guys.
Yeah, this is what. Oh my god.
Wow, we've done it. We've done it, guys. This is a joint project. I have done it. I have done it, guys. So, meanwhile, let me ask you some questions.
Me?
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
What is your first impression of me?
Innocent. But she is not.
I am innocent.
But she is not.
I am.
But she is not.
Okay. I want to ask you another question.
Yeah, come.
So, what is my love language?
Reading books.
లవ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే నేను నీకేం చేస్తాను
ఏం చెయ్యవు నువ్వు చెప్పుకుంటే ట్రిప్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోవడం
చెప్పు
ఇట్స్ డన్
I made it, guys. I made it. All my hard work. Look
Who
at
made
this. I made it.
యూ మేడ్ ఇట్
Yeah.
ఓకే
This is the fruit of all the
హూ మేడ్ ఇట్
effort I put in.
హూ మేడ్ ఇట్ హూ మేడ్ ఇట్ హూ మేడ్
Hi.
Photo session.
So we'll go and tidy up a little bit, and then let's get into the coloring of this clay.
Yes.
So, yeah. See you in a bit.
Bye bye.
So the base is ready, and let's get on with the art project. So first we'll start off slow since none of us are professionals.
Yes.
So let's go from beginner stage to a professional stage. So yeah, let's get started with the first object.
Take it.
Hey, don't get it. Don't say it.
Color.
Should I make black? Oh, I want to make blue one.
Yes. You can.
But
You can mix white.
there is white.
Yes.
Oh, I'll make yellow. It looks so cute.
Okay.
I'll make yellow. You did not see that. Nothing happened. చేసేది ఉండాలి కానీ మా దగ్గర అన్ని టూల్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి.
Who will do it first? Let's see.
Wait for me.
Meanwhile, let me ask you how well you know about me. Okay?
Let me see.
Who is my favorite celebrity crush?
Oh, easy.
Is it
Past, present, or future. It's always going to be natural star Nani.
Yes.
Yeah.
Obvious.
It's actually so frustrating, her fangirlism, actually. Sometimes it gets a little annoying. She like watches Nani's movies on repeat, guys. Repeat. Hi Nana. I think she have watched it for like what?
100 times.
I know that.
100 times.
Yeah. That movie did something to her.
Yes. It healed me.
Wow.
The movie healed me.
Wow. Close all the hospitals then.
Yeah. No doctors, nothing.
Only they have to
Movies.
play. They have
Hi,
to
Nana movie.
play Nana movie, and everybody will be healed up.
Next question.
Yeah.
What's one nickname you have given me?
Oh, you know this. I always call you Sunshine. I think that is such a very apt nickname because I can't tell you guys. You have to experience it for yourself and see for yourself. But like the way that she enters the classroom itself, everybody starts laughing. Like Sunshine is a very apt nickname. What?
What's my hidden talent?
Hidden talent? It's hidden, so how can I know that? See, I made her speechless, guys. Hidden talent is supposed to stay hidden. Don't show it to everyone.
You must know it, kada. She must know it, kada.
I think your hidden talent is that you can talk to animals.
Huh?
Yeah, you said to me that last week that you have talked to your dog. So she's an animal whisperer. Whisper it, guys.
No,
Talk
I'm
to a
not.
bird right now.
You're the-
Tell that bird to bring me something.
That's not my hidden talent, guys. She said it wrong.
Okay, then reveal your hidden talent then. She'll not say anything now because she don't have one hidden talent.
What's one word that people describe about me? Not you. People describe about me. You should answer it.
Chatterbox. Lub dub.
No.
People describe you as one word. Well, I heard them describe you as.
Yes. Huh?
I'll tell you personally, guys. In the next video, I will share it with you.
Comment down. She'll text you.
Yeah.
Ping her a message on Instagram.
Yeah. I'm committed to my job. We are committed to my job, but you guys are not encouraging me.
Yes.
Why? But I think I'm also partially happy because we got to 95 subscribers the last time I saw. And let's hope that with this video at least we'll hit that 100 subscribers.
Yes, we
We
will.
didn't yet.
We will.
We are hoping to get that 100 subscribers.
We will.
Yeah. I think like one day it will be so crazy, right? Like maybe we'll get to 1K or something.
Yes.
And like we'll look back into all of the stuff that we have made. And
Yes,
it will be such a
yes.
nostalgic moment, I think. So, yeah. Also, by the way, I want to ask you guys a question. Are you missing the book content videos I used to make? Because I'm missing them so much. But I started doing vlogs and everybody's loving it and I'm loving it. So I kind of like switched to making vlogs. But I'll definitely will make book videos very soon, because that is the whole purpose of why I wanted to do YouTube at the first place.
Yes.
Because I want to talk about books. I'm so passionate about them. But slowly, you guys started loving these videos so much, and I love making these videos so much too. So yeah, that's why you're getting a little bit of vlog situation, but very soon we'll switch to that book content videos. So
She will do that.
yeah.
What's my biggest red flag?
Do you want me to honestly answer that question?
Yes.
So I can reveal everything then. Everything.
Yes.
I'm hating this, guys. I'm hating this so much. Look at this. When people are making it, they look so cute, and mine looks like somebody stepped on it. Hers. Don't even get me started on her.
No, I'm doing it good.
Your biggest red flag is people without manners.
Yes. No,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, maybe everybody hates people without manners, so I think that's the right answer.
See this. Don't even bother. Party morning.
Not bad, actually. This looks like some octopus.
What's that? What?
Guys, mine is finished.
Let me finish. Meanwhile,
I'll show you others. Wait.
wait. Let me finish.
What is your inspo behind this? What are you making?
Flower. A flower.
Flower? Yeah, okay. I told you to make a cute octopus. You made a voodoo doll. I think I need to repeat what you said in the beginning of the video. What did you say? I can make it. You did.
Yes, I
It's
can.
slipping from this side.
Wait. She's moving, guys.
Okay. We are moving on to the second round of clay making. So now we'll do one cute little clay object for each other.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm not going to reveal what I'm going to be making. So this is a challenge round,
Okay.
and I'll go first. Okay.
Okay.
You have to sing a song.
Me?
You only.
With my voice?
Yeah. Shreya Ghoshal. Come on.
పాపం జనాలు చచ్చిపోతారు.
పర్లా దే ఆర్ స్ట్రాంగ్ హార్టెడ్ పీపుల్. సింగ్ సాంగ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను పాడబోతున్న పాట ఏ మూవీలో వచ్చి?
ఏ మూవీలో నుంచి అంటే మజ్ను మూవీలో అది.
యా.
కళ్ళు మూసి తెరిచేలోపు గుండెలోకి చేరావి.
యా.
తనివి తీరా చూసేలోపు పారిపోతావే. ఊరించకే. Now let me ask you.
Yeah. What's my challenge?
Select tongue twister for 3 times.
Yeah. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Chuck.
Yeah, I won. I want to do another one. Can I do another one?
No, it's enough.
No, I want to do another one. Let me do another one.
Okay.
please. Which switch the switch?
It's so.
No!
It's
One
so
more chance. Which switch the Swiss wristwatches? Which switch the Swiss wristwatches? Which switch the Swiss wristwatches? Okay, I'll give you a context how well I've performed. We'll ask her to tell one now.
No,
You
no.
have to. You have to.
No.
Ready?
As a
Ready?
cancer,
1,
can
2,
I can?
3, go.
Yeah. Can as a cancer can can.
It's not cancer, it's cancer.
It's cancer. I made it cancer.
No, it's cancer, guys.
Can you can as a canner can I can? Can you can as a canner can I can? Can you can as a canner can I can? I did it.
Wow.
Yes,
It's an easy one. Now you have to do a hard one.
I'm done. I did it.
It's this one. You have to tell this one. Go.
Betty bought a bit of whatever the Betty bought was bitter. Betty,
Speed.
Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter.
Okay.
Betty bought a bit of.
What?
Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was
Fail.
bitter.
Fail. Okay.
Let's. Yeah.
You did good.
Yeah.
Good. Now it's your turn for the challenge. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you have to try to make me laugh in under 10 seconds. Wait. This is just a smirk. This, when I show my teeth, that means I'm laughing, okay? Then I lose. If I show my teeth, I lose. No! You didn't say start.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. She's smiling.
No, I did
She's
not.
about to laugh.
I did not know.
Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter.
Well, she failed. Let's move on. Now it's my challenge. Give me.
Okay.
So this is what she made for me. It is supposed to be a honey bee.
It is.
It is, yeah. This is mine. This is a cute teddy. I forgot its ears, but we're out of time. So, yeah.
Bye bye.
For the finale, I thought that we could play a little fun game of who's more likely to skip classes often. Okay. Who's better at keeping secrets? Who would sleep through an alarm? Who studies last minute? Who says sorry first after a fight? Who hypes the other up more? Who makes the other laugh more? Okay. Who's more likely to talk to a stranger for fun? Who's more likely to laugh in a serious moment? Who's more likely to spend a lot while shopping? Okay?
Yeah.
So that's it. We have also understood where our talent lies. So I'll not be attempting another crafty project in the near future. This is all what we have done for today's art class.
Oh shit.
Ignore that. This is what we have made. So yeah, this has been a very good attempt and thank you for watching. So I really hope that we have made you laugh and see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.